Hey, this is Jamie with the Crafters Workshop, and we have some great new mixed media products. They're these wonderful, delicious 2-ounce size mixed media jars. We came out with some modeling paste. So we have our wonderful white modeling paste, but we also have white pearl, and on top of it we have the light and fluffy, and the hot foil gel for using with your laminator, and then down below we've got champagne gold, Grecian gold, antique gold, copper penny, platinum, now we're getting into the silvers, sterling silver, Marcasite silver, and then we also did our black modeling paste and our white modeling paste, all in the 2-ounce size, which is really perfect. You can get a lot done of several projects with the little size, and you can keep them right at your desk. You can bring them on trips with you. They're great for travel. So I just wanted to show you some of the very cool projects that we've made with it. So as you can see, we've got on the top, we've got champagne, and then there's the Grecian, antique gold, and then a little more antique, and then here's the copper. I'll just let the light kind of hit it a little bit, and you can see how it shimmers. It has some wonderful glimmers. Now if you feel like just sticking with one color, here is the Grecian gold through our star stencil, and I love how that looks. It has a little bit of dimension and some nice glitter. And then if you're like me, you have to play with everything. So here's one of our samples with all of the colors just blended in, kind of ombre. Can you see how the gold goes into the silver, into the platinum? I love how that looks, and then I'll give you a little sneak at one more. Here is some of our brick stencil, and look how I got this nice light area in the center. I did that by putting down first the champagne gold, and then I worked around mixing in all the different golds and all the different silvers. It just gives it a lot of dimension. So don't be afraid to play, and don't buy just one. It's really fun when you mix together a few of the different metallic pastes. Gives you a lot of dimension, a lot of color, gives you an ombre look, and it just looks wonderful. I hope you'll get a chance to play.
Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!